Let's talk about mosquito. What is a mosquito?
Mosquito is harmless.
Where do they live?
Anywhere there is air for their larvae.
What do they eat?
Male mosquitoes suck nectar, only female mosquitoes suck blood.
Why do female mosquitoes suck the blood?
They need enough bacteria to make their eggs.
Find us.
They can smell chemical in our breath.
Do they cause problems?
Yes, they carry so many deadly diseases.